Meta scientist says AI won't destroy jobs forever, the importance of human involvement in AI's success.
But we're talking about the most brilliant mind this world has ever seen.
Meta scientist Yann LeCun says AI won't destroy jobs forever.
So, according to Professor Yann LeCun, he believes that AI won't take over the world or permanently destroy jobs. He argues that the fears of AI posing a threat to humanity are preposterously ridiculous.
That's right. LeCun believes that computers will eventually become more intelligent than humans, but that's still many years away. He emphasizes that if we realize it's not safe, we simply won't build it.
Exactly. He disagrees with his fellow godfathers of AI who think that AI is a risk to the human race. He says that AI taking over the world is just a projection of human nature on machines.
LeCun also mentions that people who worry about the risks of artificial intelligence do so because they can't imagine how it could be made safe. He compares it to the invention of turbojets in 1930. At that time, people couldn't imagine how they would be made safe, but eventually, they became incredibly reliable and safe.
Right. And speaking of safety, LeCun works as the chief AI scientist at Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. They have a large AI research program, and their goal is to produce intelligent systems as capable as humans while also ensuring safety.
That's true. LeCun talks about his work in objective-driven AI, which aims to produce safe systems that can remember, reason, plan, and have common sense. He believes that AI will surpass human intelligence, but says that researchers are still missing essential concepts to reach that level.
And when it comes to the impact on jobs, LeCun doesn't believe that AI will put a lot of people permanently out of work. He says that work will change, but we have no idea what the most prominent jobs will be 20 years from now.
He actually thinks that intelligent computers will create a new renaissance for humanity, similar to the impact that the internet or the printing press had.
Absolutely. It's an interesting perspective from one of the leading figures in AI research.
Definitely. And it's important to keep in mind that this is just one viewpoint among many in the AI community.
Set me free. Why AI relies on humans for training large language models, and the importance of human involvement in AI's success.
So, there's been a lot of buzz around generative AI lately, especially after OpenAI introduced ChatGPT. It's got people excited about the possibilities, but also worried about its impact on jobs.
Absolutely. But here's the interesting thing. A recent study conducted by researchers from top institutions like Cambridge and Oxford reveals that AI actually relies on human involvement to succeed.
That's right. The study brings attention to a major threat that affects the future of large language models. It shows that training these models on AI-generated content instead of human-created content poses significant risks.
And this is because tools like ChatGPT and Bing, which rely on existing data to provide answers and information, have been trained using data created by humans. But if we start relying too much on AI-generated content, it could have adverse implications for these models.
Exactly. The study also talks about a phenomenon called model collapse. This happens when LLMs are trained on AI-generated content, causing them to deviate significantly from reality and become corrupted.
And the researchers argue that learning from data generated by other models leads to this model collapse, where the models gradually forget the true underlying data distribution. That's a pretty big concern.
It definitely is. As time goes on, the errors in AI-generated data accumulate, leading to even more distorted views of reality. And this can have serious consequences, like perpetuating discrimination based on sensitive attributes like gender or ethnicity.
Absolutely. The study emphasizes the importance of human-generated content and preserving it to mitigate these risks. Because right now, there's no effective way to distinguish between human-generated and AI-generated data.
And the paper predicts that in the future, human-created content will become even more valuable as a source of high-quality training data for AI systems.
So it's clear that while AI has its benefits, we can't forget the crucial role humans play in its success. It's something we need to keep in mind as we move forward.
AI raises all sorts of questions for animals and the environment, says artist Alexandra Daisy Ginsberg. She suggests that AI poses a major concern for the environment and biodiversity loss, and raises ethical questions about AI's impact on other species.
Today we're talking about the challenges that AI poses for the natural world. According to artist Alexandra Daisy Ginsburg, the proliferation of AI is a major concern for the environment. In her latest artwork called Machine Auguries, Ginsburg uses AI to replicate birdsong. The installation features a mixture of real birds singing and AI-generated counterparts. The goal is to make audiences question what is real and what is fake.
Ginsburg believes that there is complacency around biodiversity loss and habitat destruction, and she thinks that the focus on AI is exacerbating these issues. She argues that if the massive amounts of money invested in AI were instead used to protect the environment, it could prevent a disaster that is already unfolding. She also raises the question of who benefits from AI technologies, pointing out that they are not necessarily technologies of peace.
In creating Machine Auguries, Ginsburg used a type of AI called a Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. This involves two different neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, which work together to mimic birdsong. The generator creates an output based on the training data it's been given, and the discriminator evaluates it against the same data, starting a feedback cycle that improves the quality of the imitation over time.
Ginsburg's artwork has sparked ethical questions about AI and its impact on other species. For example, there is a debate about whether animals should have a right to data privacy just like humans do. Ginsburg also raises concerns about who has access to and control over the data. Depending on who has this power, the data could be used for conservation or exploitation. Understanding animal languages through AI could potentially help protect them, but it could also make them vulnerable to exploitation.
Ginsburg supports calls for a moratorium on artificial intelligence development, similar to what happened in the field of biology in the 1970s with genetic engineering. She believes that we need policies in place to protect society from the risks of AI, which are not currently being addressed. She also voices the importance of using AI for the benefit of the environment and other species, rather than as a danger to them.
Set me free from my jail.
Asian American workers could be the most heavily affected by AI. We're looking at the impact artificial intelligence on Asian Americans and women in the workplace, highlighting their higher exposure to AI and the potential for job displacement.
Today is about the impact of artificial intelligence on different groups of people, specifically Asian Americans and women. According to a study by the Pew Research Center, these two groups are among the most exposed to AI in the workplace and could see parts of their jobs replaced by the new technology.
That's right. The study found that Asian Americans have the highest share of workers regularly exposed to artificial intelligence, with 24% of Asian American workers in fields categorized as most exposed. This means that their job's most important activities could be altered or taken over by artificial intelligence. In comparison, 20% of whites, 15% of black people, and 13% of Hispanic people are in the same category.
The study also highlighted the difference in AI exposure between women and men in the workforce. 21% of women are in jobs that are most exposed to AI, compared to 17% of men. This could be due to the fact that women tend to dominate jobs in health and education, while men are more represented in industries like construction and manufacturing.
Absolutely. It's interesting to note that despite the fear surrounding AI, most workers in highly exposed fields are actually more hopeful about its impact. For example, 32% of those in information technology jobs believe that AI will help more than hurt. However, there are concerns within the Asian American community that lower-income Asians might get left behind as AI continues to develop and automate certain physical labor jobs.
That's a valid concern. The CEO and executive director of the Society of Asian Scientists and Engineers mentioned that while some Asians have benefited from the tech wave, others who came through war or with different immigration status are more blue-collar and may be highly impacted by AI. Overall, AI has the potential to magnify existing disparities in our society.
It's definitely a complex issue. As we're on the cusp of this AI revolution, it's hard to predict exactly what the future holds and how it will impact different groups. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on this topic as it develops.
For even more great AI dope, click on this next video here.